NMR spectroscopy is basically another form of absorption spectroscopy like IR UV spectroscopy under absorption conditions. A sample can absorb electromagnetic radiations in the radio frequency region. Absorption is in function of certain nuclei in the molecule. A plot of frequency of the absorption peaks intensities continue on NMR spectrum. All the neutrons of particles, protons are positively charged and neutrons are electrically neutral. When shows that all atomic nuclei are positively charged, like electron, the nuclei of some electrons are considered to spin on their axis. Due to spinning of the charged particles or magnetic field is generated along the axis of the spin. That these spin act like an magnetic. The angular moment of the spinning charged particles can be described in terms of the spin quantum number. It can atom spin quantum number, mass number, atomic number, or spin quantum number. If it is odd, mass number is odd, atomic number is odd, then spin quantum number half integer. If mass number is odd, atomic number is even, then half integer. And if both mass and atomic number are even and odd, even, then 0 or, for example, oxygen 18, nitrogen. From spin quantum number I, we can calculate the number of orientations of a nuclei. Number of orientations 2i plus 1. For the proton, I is equal to half. So for the formula 2i plus 1 means I is half. So 2 into half plus 1 is equal to 2. The proton has two types of orientation in an applied magnetic field, aligned particular to low energy or molecular orbitals, against or anti-parallels with applied field. Formula E is equal to R omega H 0 upon 2 pi. H nu is equal to this. The transition form of an energy state can be called as an ellipsing of photon. In principle, we could place a spectron in magnetic field of contact strength and then spectrum. In practically, however, it has been found concealed to keep the adopts of frequently and to vary the strength of positive magnetic field. A graph is plotted between absorption of radiation and magnetic field strength, various aspects, number of signals, position and intensities of signal. You can take it splitting of signals like this: ethyl chloride, ethylamine, and there are so many examples like this: isobutyl, 2-bromopropene, vinyl chloride, 1,2-dibromo, ethyl chloride. In 1,2-dichlorothione 1 NMR signal, 1,2-dibromopropane 3 NMR signal, 1,3-dibromopropane 2 NMR signals, ethyl bromide. Isopropyl benzene 3 NMR signals, methoxymethane 1 NMR signal. Yes. Okay.